How do electronic devices function? It's all thanks to PCBA. From bare boards to intelligent cores. 1. First, understand the distinction. PCB. PCB refers to the blank green board like a Lego baseplate, while PCBA is the finished module with chips and resistors installed, the living heart of the device. PCBA assembly. 2 core processes. SMT surface mount technology, microcomponents. Solder paste printing like printing on t-shirts. Placement machine rapidly places components tens of thousands per hour. Free flow of cures for permanent soldering. Cut through hole technology for high-stress components. Component pins inserted into sockets. Wave soldering, melt soldering for fixation. Ideal for connectors and transformers. Complex products use both methods, then undergo cleaning and testing to be completed. 3. Where is PCBA used? Everywhere. Consumer electronics, phones or TVs. Requires miniaturization and low cost. Industrial equipment PLCs. Withstands wide temperature ranges, vibration, and dust. Automotive electronics. Hundreds per vehicle, withstands -40 C to 125 C. Medical devices. Zero tolerance for errors, clean environments plus strict traceability. Communications 5G servers. High-speed signals plus robust thermal management. Choosing the right PCBA partner equals stable products, faster time to market. Contact Kaboer to turn your ideas into reliable products.